Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Quick video from me. I know I've posted some trade ideas this week. Thanks for the comments, the likes, and the engagement in the direct messages. I just wanted to hop on just to show you what to look for when I post an idea by way of statistics, belief, confidence, all of those things that really help our traders trade the way we trade. So everything you see on my ideas and my charts, they're not things I've drawn. There's no guesswork, there's no technical analysis, there's nothing I'm doing on the chart. It's all done via our Edge algorithm, okay, which really helps me go about my day. I've got alerts running, I've automated the way I trade too. But the key part is the data and the testing. It's all about planning and preparation, planning for probability, getting your risk management absolutely nailed on, and not getting spooked by losing streaks, because losing streaks will happen on any strategy. And what I know is on 680 trades, for example, on pound yen, that I've probably seen a losing streak since 2017 of 10 trades. I know that it's fact because it's all in the data. What most people do is they strategy hop 4 or 5 trades, they lose, they think this doesn't work anymore and I'm going to move forward. Now, that's one part of finding a way to overcome that, planning for probability within your risk management. I'm going to do a video on that over the coming few days, showing what we do, why we do it, and how it helps. But the other thing here is, yes, there's loads of people sharing trading ideas on TradingView. Now, I show them to show how our system works and how it can really remove a lot of stress and exhaustion, decision making, overwhelm to everybody else. You only have to look at trading ideas across everybody doing technical analysis to see how many different views people have of the same chart. Okay, that's just exhausting, isn't it? So I also don't recommend that you just hop on random trades on TradingView ideas, because that's not a sustainable way to trade. You haven't got an edge when you're doing that. You're just hoping that one of these ideas is going to enable you to retire probably and put the kitchen sink on it. That is not what you should do. By all means, have a look and learn, but hopping on random ones isn't going to help you. Hopping on my random trade ideas is not going to help you because you've not got the strategy. By all means, you can get it, but I'm not here to sell to you. You can have a look at what I do, and if you like it, great, reach out and we can go through what it is, how it helps. But you can also read my script information page and have a look too. But this only works, my strategy will only work if you're following it with every trade and you've got into the detail to understand the data. So, for example, pound USD, we've just hit stop loss on this sell. Fine, it's just another trade. Friday afternoon fun. But in the strategy tester, I've got the data here. 420% gain since 2017 based on a 1% risk per trade, which is here. So I had a message earlier about how do I get the lot size stuff up. That's all built within our strategy. It tells me the amount I'm risking in pounds, the lot size, how that all works. And every single trade is in this trade log, okay? All the losses, the red ones are the losses. There's quite a few because ultimately this win rate is 31%. So we're going to win 3 trades out of 10. So you're going to lose more than you win. However, the key part to this is our average win to average loss ratio, which is on here too when I can find it. So where are we? Average win is 61, average loss is 20. So here we go. Our average win to loss ratio is 3.1. So an average 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which in turn with the win rate gives you a trading edge based on 690 trades since the beginning of 2017. Now that trade that hit stop loss today is in here too, and it's the loss along the bottom here. The win is there previously. So all of this data enables me to trade with confidence and belief in just teaching, just going through that each trade. I'm not emotionally attached to any outcome because I've not spent hours on the screen doing any analysis. Okay, so when I post a trade idea, what you need to do just to help you understand is when you click into it, scroll down. Let's go through these comments. Here you go. Sorry, I missed it. So this is the snapshot of the live backtesting data for that pair on that time frame at that time. So you can see the stats. So if you're hopping on a random trade on TradingView, chances are 7 out of 10 are going to lose. hence why having the strategy and following it in its entirety is going to give you these gains. But hopping on random ones, you might get lucky. Yeah, you might obviously get some winners, but ultimately trading is all about probability and planning, preparation, risk management, all of that stuff. But you can see this on the end here. So that's GU. Let's look at NZD USD. That one might approach stop loss with the way that the dollar's just gone as well. Here, look, similar data. Great gains, sensible maximal drawdown, because we plan for probability. So these are all based on 1% risk per trade. And let's just have a look on here. So we've got NAS 100, we've got Euro Pound. So Euro Pound's an interesting one, okay? Euro Pound's based on a 50% win rate strategy. So that's a one and a bit risk to reward. And again, a smaller net profit, but you can afford to risk more per trade on that strategy because you're going to mathematically hit less of a losing streak. Data on 630 trades. Losing streak once, I think, of 7 or 8 trades in our data. And we can plan for that, as I keep saying. So all the trades are here, look. So whenever I post an idea, I guess the difference in when I post an idea is that I've got data to back up that idea from, past performance, which past performance can't predict the future. I totally get that. But having some sort of data on 600 to 700 trades since the beginning of 2017, right, is far better than having nothing. And a lot of the ideas you'll look at are discretionary and subjective. So it's what someone's seeing at that time. And yes, they might be right. That's fine. But it's about not just being right that day or that week. This is about testing a strategy over a long period of time. And the great thing with TradingView when you use PineScript is that you can do that with the press of a button. That's it from me. I'll do some more videos like this over the weekend or beginning of next week based on probability, tips I can give you to try and help you manage your emotions and manage that risk. Have a great weekend, everybody.